There's definitely a different feel about the West Indies going into the upcoming World T20 tournament. Compared to the last time in 2021, we were defending champions from the previous tournament in 2016. So for those tournaments, we always felt the West Indies had a chance of winning. Now going into this World T20, West Indies have zero chance. Yes, we have no chance at all at winning. This West Indies team don't have an identity. They don't have a strategy. Notice how them chop and change. It's like they're not sure of their best team and they're not sure exactly how they're going to play. At least the previous West Indies teams identified as boundary-hitting teams. Them sink or swim with that philosophy. In fact, it served us well, giving rise to 2 World T20 titles. The current team looks confused between identities, poor at rotating the strike and ordinary at hitting boundaries. They're trying to play like other teams, but don't have the personnel, the ability, or the temperament to play like India or England or Australia. That kind of uncertainty and indecision in the T20 game is a recipe for losing. Anyway, let's go win this!